All right, we are on a wet and fairly wild day at Raging River. We're going to give physical therapy upper a try despite my best judgment. Let's do it. Oh yeah, feeling this entrance. That's okay. This is just a slither your way down kind of day. I will attempt that entrance on a drier day. Not today. Definitely going to do the black, not the double black. Alright. Whew. Squishy. So good so far. Gotta embrace the sideways motion today. That's what you're going to get a bit. In my defense, I climbed near the top, nearish the top. So my legs are feeling pumped today. Oh yeah. A foot dab. Save the day. My other deal is I gotta, whoa, that's low. New brake pad, my front. So we're braking now, hopefully that's broken in. Other than that, I'll quit complaining here. I'm getting to mountain bike. Life is pretty good. Okay. Ooh. Don't know if y'all saw that. That was slick. Steeper trails can often be good on rainy days, and I'm surprised how good this actually is. Okay. All right. Okay. Almost didn't enjoy that. Wow, yeah, I will take that on a day like today. Small rest. I can get my water on. All right, let's do her. I love that little drop. Okay, now this is gonna take some focus. Good line, Jeff. Trying to see the line that doesn't end up on a wet and slimy root. unlike that line. I also have a brand new spare tire, so I should be getting a max grip because it's brand new. Oh, bad line. Cheater line, go to the left. Okay. Be light on my front over that. Wow, that was deep as all I gotta say. That was deep. Okay, a little peddly section, which I'm actually in the right gear this time. Okay, my feet got completely soaked on that deep puddle. Holy cow, Batman. Okay, we'll gear up here. Slithery goodness there. And that is sharing the shred for a very wet day in March, but I almost did not do PT and just floated out. I'm so glad that I did. All right, sharing the shred over and out.